Hi, I'm Koya Webb, and welcome to Intro to Meditation. The meditation that I teach focuses on the breath and becoming mindful. And mindful just means being fully present. So, no matter what is going on around you, you're maintaining your presence in who you are. No matter who you are, no matter your race, religion, ethnicity, you can do meditation. No matter how old or young you are, you can do meditation. No matter your physical ability, you could do meditation. So, meditation is for everybody. And meditation can help you be more mindful, more present, and really deal with stress and anxiety in a more balanced way. So, we're going to get started with the practice meditation, and I'm just going to walk you through some of the benefits. The first benefit is being able to connect with your breath and just sit in stillness. So, if you're an on the go type of person, this might seem really hard. If your mind starts wandering, do not beat yourself up. It's okay if you start thinking about the dishes or what you're doing later. That happened to me when I first started. If that starts to happen with you, even while I'm telling you to listen to the breath, think of your happy place. Your happy place could be the beach. Mine is the beach, listening to the water, watching the water. It could be the mountains. It could be a park. It could be whatever you want to be. Just take yourself there and get lost in the visualization of your happy place. And that can help get your mind off an argument or a bad relationship or a job or anything that you really don't want to think about when you're trying to be mindful and you're trying to focus on your own presence and healing and repairing your body. So during meditation, as we're oxygenating ourselves through the breath work, by now you've already learned how to breathe, and now we're going to take that breath work into meditation. So after you practice your breath work, you can go into meditation. After you practice your yoga, you can go to meditation. You can do meditation before or after your practice. Really, the sky is the limit when it comes to meditation. Meditation is always a good idea because it's helping you become more present, more mindful, listen to your breath, and release everything outside of you. So, first, you want to sit in a comfortable position. If this is not comfortable for you, you can sit in a chair, you can sit up against the wall, especially if you have any type of back problems. And we're going to start sitting up, but then eventually we're going to lie down. Because when you're doing meditation, the most important thing is that you're comfortable and you feel good in your body. So if your mind starts wandering, you're not going to worry about it. You're going to either let it float by or you're going to visualize your happy place. If a limb goes to sleep, you're going to move and make yourself more comfortable. So whatever that means, again, if it's lying down, it's lying down. So we're going to go ahead and you can continue sitting up or you can lie down with me. When you're lying down for meditation, if you have a mat or a towel, you want to bring your heels out to the corner of the mat or towel and lay completely down. You want to inhale, lift your heart to really release your back muscles and make your palms face the ceiling or the sky. Take a deep inhale and exhale, relax. Relax your shoulders away from your ears, puff your chest. Make sure your palms are facing up. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, and then close your eyes. Take a deep inhale and exhale, sigh it out. Again, deep inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Keep breathing nice and easy. So now we're doing what's called circle breathing, inhaling through your stomach, bring that breath to your chest, and then exhale through your mouth, completely let it go. So inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Keep breathing. And slowly relax. Bring your knees to your chest. Gently rock from side to side. Rock over to your right side. And just take a moment to lie here. Allow everything to settle. You can also place your hands underneath your head and just breathe. And feel yourself wrapped in a clear quartz crystal, as if you're in a cocoon or back in the womb. When you rise up from meditation, feel yourself rising into a new reality. Slowly place your hand down and press yourself up to a comfortable seated position. Take a deep inhale and exhale. It's totally normal after meditation to feel lightheaded and a little bit woozy. Make sure right after you get you a nice tall glass of water. Room temperature water is best, and hydrate yourself, because again, when you're breathing, doing breath work and meditation, you're releasing toxins from your body. So you might feel a little slight headache. That's all normal. So just hydrate, drink water until you feel well hydrated, and keep going. So this is, again, just intro to meditation. You can stay in meditation for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Some people meditate for 2 hours. So you can go out in nature and just sit on the ground. You can meditate looking at water. You can meditate gazing at fire. There's so many different ways to meditate, but this is just the intro. So find out what type of meditation works for you and practice every single day. Until next time, get loved up, love yourself, love others, and love the planet.